we overthink things and we make things way more difficult than it actually is. Welcome back to my channel. You know, I didn't exactly expect to go through what I went through in the beginning of my vegan journey, entering into this whole plant-based world. And I'm going to share with you 4 things that I wish I would have known before I went vegan, or just things that would have been helpful to know before I decided to go vegan. Number 1 is that the level of discipline and intentionality that you have to have is on a whole other level. Like, at least for me, it wasn't particularly easy because, you know, you're used to whatever you're used to, and being vegan is a change, like a whole change. It's a lifestyle change, because I tried it out for 3 weeks just to test and see how I liked it, and I decided that I wanted to go forward with it. And so it was new, completely out of my norm, and I just now realized that I literally had to plan things for the whole week. And that is what will make it so much easier on you if you wanted to even just try it out for 3 weeks, or even if you are committed. But even if you're just trying it out, I would say have 3 to 5 backup meals that you can just eat like it ain't nothing. Like, easy to cook, or doesn't take that long to cook. Something that you can throw in the stove, or, you know, heat up in the microwave. I personally like to use the stove over the microwave. That's just me. I feel like it tastes better. But having at least three to 5 meals that you can fall back on will make it so much easier, because when you're new to something, it takes time to try to figure it all out, try to see what you want to eat. And honestly, y'all, don't make it so difficult. I feel like we overthink things and we make things way more difficult than it actually is. Like, one of the questions that I get often, or questions that I used to get often, was, so what do you eat? I eat what you eat. I just take out the meat, or I don't put the meat in there. I eat what you eat. I just don't use butter. You know, I eat greens, I eat potatoes, I eat pasta, I eat candy yams, okay, cornbread, okay, dressing or stuffing, wherever you're from, dressing or stuffing. I call it dressing. But I eat rice, beans, you know, I eat what you eat. I eat fries. However, now I'm trying to like limit my consumption of junk food, and by junk food I mean like fries. You know, I let myself indulge. I eat what I want to eat when I want to eat it, but I'm also cautious because I don't want to eat it too much, because I just, personal preference, want to eat what's healthier. I'm not saying you should do the same thing. This is just what I want to do. But anyway, 3 to 5 meals. It will make it easy for you. You can go on Pinterest to find some. You can even look here on YouTube. And that actually leads me to the second thing that I wish I would have known, is that I would go into this whole YouTube vegan recipe wormhole, like days, weeks, hours in YouTube, looking at freaking recipe videos, trying to figure out things that I can make, trying to figure out things that I should buy at the store, what's better to use over something else, you know, what tastes better, how you should season things. So I ain't gonna lie, that took a lot of time. But if you need ideas for recipes, just leave a comment down below. I got you. I have a whole list. Like, I could make a book out of the list that I have. So if you need help with that, just leave a comment down below. Number 3. This has to be like the most helpful tip, and that would be to make friends with your farmer or produce guy or produce gal, because when you do so, you get cool with the person who you buy food from. Discounts, okay? Discounts. I get them. I love them. Tax free as well, because I shop at a outside market, a farmer's market, and that's something that you could do. You don't always have to go to the grocery store, because 9 times out of 10 everything is overpriced in the grocery stores, like Walmart, Kroger, especially Whole Foods. Trader Joe's, I love Trader Joe's. I really do. They have my heart. I don't have anything bad to say about them. However, I prefer going to outside farmers markets because, number one, there's no tax. They only take cash. And if you become friends or just become cool with your farmer or produce guy or produce woman, they will give you discounts, and they may even give you free food. I'm talking about things that has happened to me. Moving on. The last one, the bloating. After a while, or after a few weeks of, living this vegan dietary lifestyle, I noticed that my little tummy got a little out there, and I'm like, whoa, hold on. Am I gaining weight? But no, I wasn't. I was just bloated. And I have a whole video on what you can do to stop the bloat and limit the bloat, so check that out. I'll link it up here. You can take a look at it, called Why Am I Bloating? Because I want to provide answers for you. I want to give you all solutions to your vegan related problems. So if you have any more issues that you may be experiencing, or if you have a topic that you want me to speak on, then just drop it down in the comment section and I will read it and I'll make a video about it. But yeah, the bloat is real. The bloat is real. I'm walking around like I have a baby, like I'm in my first or second trimester. I'm exaggerating a little bit. I'm exaggerating a lot of it, but check out my other video on it, and that's what I got. So I'll see you in my next video.